rekordbox DJ has many different features and sections. Some of these features can be toggled between visible and hidden. This is so that you can have your screen show more of the features that you do use and less of the ones that you don't. On the top of rekordbox DJ, you'll find a list of features with checkboxes next to them. Clicking on this checkbox will show that feature. Clicking on it again will hide that feature. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the mixer. So first, we're going to click on the mixer checkbox, and that will show us the mixer section of rekordbox DJ. As you can see, if I move the faders, they also move inside rekordbox DJ. You can also control the mixer with your mouse. This is handy because it allows you to use your mouse to control these features just in case your hardware doesn't support it. Please note, only the features that you've activated in rekordbox DJ will show on this list at the top. For example, if you haven't got a license for rekordbox video, it won't show. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to learn more about rekordbox DJ, check out pioneerdj.com. And if you want to find out more about how to DJ, check out pointblankmusicschool.com.